The data warehouse is where we store manufacturers' data they sent to us. The data is not modified or changed in any way. It's simply compressed and compiled and pushed out to you through Notify. Notify is what we refer to as your library card. It allows you to access the downloadable data for over 200 manufacturers stored in the data warehouse. This data includes catalog information such as catalog codes, part numbers, part descriptions, options, list price, as well as symbols. Notify is the program used to download current manufacturer catalogs and legacy catalogs. The Notify icon is identified with a dark purple hexagon and white open book. To open Notify, you can double-click on the desktop icon, open from the Start menu, or you can open it using the hidden icons in the task tray of your computer. Click the up caret to show your hidden icons, right-click on the Notify icon, and select Open Notify to open Notify. Once Notify is opened, please note that the installed data is listed first in alphanumeric order in the main body of the window. You will know that a manufacturer's data is installed by the green check in the bottom right corner of the tile. You can quickly navigate to a manufacturer's data by clicking on the first letter of the manufacturer's name in the ribbon at the top of the window. If you have already downloaded a manufacturer's data and they send in an update, those updates will be listed in your update queue as update required. To add a new manufacturer's data, click on the letter corresponding to the first letter of the manufacturer name. Select the tile by clicking it with a single left click. 3 things happen once you click the manufacturer tile. 1. A negative check mark appears indicating that manufacturer's data is selected. 2. A yellow circle with a number appears in the bottom right corner. This indicates the number of files that will be downloaded onto your computer. And 3. The files are then also listed in the update queue as not installed, as these will be newly installed if you click the Update Now button in the bottom right corner. Clicking the Update Now button will push those updates and/or downloads through manually, or you can wait for automatic updating to occur. Notify will automatically check for updates once a day at a specific time. For this update to take place, your computer must be connected to the internet. To set a specific time for automatic updating, go to the File tab and click Settings. Adjust the time by clicking the up and down arrows to a time when you will have internet connectivity. If an update is missed due to disconnection, Notify will push the updates on the following day at your specific set time. You always have the option to manually update by opening up Notify and clicking Update Now in the bottom right corner of the window. While Notify is downloading information, you can continue to work in Spec or any other program on your computer. You don't have to keep Notify open. Closing out of the window will not disrupt the downloading process. The app was created to work in the background without interrupting your normal work.